Assalamualaikum. How are you guys? It's me Asma and welcome to Graphic Tees. So guess the topic today. I'm going to change the username of my Gmail ID. So let's see. First of all, some people get worried because the email ID was already built in, but we can't change the username. But in this video, I'm going to show that how to change your username of your Gmail ID. So let's get started. First of all, you are at your new tab and just go to your email ID icon or your logo here. Just click it and we'll go to manage your Google account. Just click it and our home page is here. You can see some details here, and at the left side we have these some another options. Just click at the second one, personal information. Now you can change your profile picture from here, and you can change your username from here too. So just click at the arrow and there is my first name and the last name is here. And for example, I'm going to change it to graphic tees graphic, and the second name is peace. So now is it right? Now I'm going to save my changes. Your change might take a while to show everywhere. So my change is saved. Now I'm going to back. So this was a way you can change your username from your Gmail ID. If this video was helpful to you, just give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.